About to happen, everyone gather up. Gather up, come on.
Huddle up, huddle up.
No, don't be stupid. Don't anyone get injured. Now, it all comes down to this. We've lost the first game and there's 2 more games to go. Now, have we all got our heads screwed on tight? Do we want to win? Will we run through walls to win? So you've got to get out there, you've got to go strong, go crazy!